Hello everyone, I am Bhavya Manita. In this video, I will explain the ExpressJS based store scheduling web application. This project manuals user authentication, admin and player dashboards, session creation, joining session, generating reports, and more. Let's go step by step. So let's get into the root.js. This is the main function. Okay, let's go with index.js. So here, in this is the main framework. Here, these are all the lines. So here, this Express is a framework for building web applications on etc. So here, session is used to manage the sessions for authentication. And here, method override is allows used to use HTTP methods like put, delete in the forms. This .env will load the environment variables from the .env file, which is located here. And here, the database connection is can be connected using the pool variable here. So then we have to configure the environment variables by using this .env.configure. So after that, we will initialize the Express app by using const article to express function. So we will set up the middleware here by using the Express configure and these are the variables. So these are mainly used for the session setup. And here roots variable is used uh, to take the roots from the roots.js file. So here the port number, so server is running at port 3%. So let's say the roots.js file, which is the main function. So this is the main one. Let's see about this. So as we discussed about that, Express is the framework which is used for the backend to connect all these. Bgrit is used to hash the password to maintain the security for the password. Here pool is used to connect the database, and the router is used for the router module. And here Express session is there. So it is used to manage the sessions, and the Flash is used to send the Flash messages when we are functioning, changing the password or joining in. So it will send the Flash messages. So the app is initialized by using the Express. This is the session middleware. These are all the session middleware. Okay? Whenever we run, first home page will be displayed. So this is the main class, main file in the home page. After that, we have to register. So this is the main book for the register. So when register and this will perform the authentication. If the user is already exists, then it will tries to fetch the data from the database, and it will see here if the user is already there, then it will give error like email already in use. Otherwise, it will hash the password which is given by the user at the time of registration. It will insert the values like name, email, password, role into the database. After that, it will redirect into the login page. If the login can't occurs, then it will give errors like the error registering error or server error like that. So in the after redirecting from the register page to the login page, it will fetch the data. After giving the email and password by the user at the time of login, it will fetch the data from the database by using the command select star from users. In the PostgreSql, it will invokes the PostgreSql database. Based on the role admin or player, it will navigate to the admin dashboard or player dashboard based on the role and redirect to the main page and its dashboard. Otherwise, it will redirect to login or error in login. Logout functionality. Logout functionality is used just to log out from that page to the home page. As we know that this sports scheduler mainly consists of admin dashboard and player dashboard. We know that admin dashboard main responsibilities is to create a sport, to view the all the sports those are there in the database, and to create a session and to join the session. All these. First, we have to fetch the available sessions by using this command in the SPR, PostgreSQL. So select star from sports means it will display all the sports which are available in the database in the sports table. So it will fetch all the sports. After that, it will fetch all the available sessions here. After that, it will fetch the join sessions which is joined by the admin. So here after that, it whenever we join, or doing anything, it will directly render the admin dashboard. So here the sports is used for to display the sports and the sessions, the join sessions. If it is working, it's okay. Otherwise, it will throw an error fetching database. So this is the route for the creating a sport. So when we are creating a sport, it will insert into the sports. In the PostgreSql, I have a table called as sports. So in that, it will insert all the values. After that, after the adding of the sport, it will directly render into the admin dashboard only. Okay, let's see the player dashboard. So in the player dashboard, first it will fetch the available sports. So from by using the command like select stars in the sports, it is a query. After that, it will fetch the all the upcoming sessions which are created by the admin or other players. All those sessions will be fetched by using this query. So this is the query for the join session query. So after this, it will render the dashboard with the feature data like in the player dashboard, like sessions, sports, join, and etc. So whenever we want to create a session, either it is admin or player. So for creating a session, I had written a route like this. So this is for sessions, sport ID, venue, date and time. These all will be added into the sessions table by using this query. Insert into sessions, sport ID created by date, time, venue, and status. So after the creating of the session, it will redirect based on the role. Like if it is admin, it will navigate to the admin dashboard or otherwise player. For the joining session, whether it is player or admin, so as like the creating session. So from the available sessions, it will join. And here I had used the check if the session is in the past or not. So based on it, the join session will be there. Here the user, based on the user, it will redirect. And if a user is already there in the session, then he will be not able to join again. So this will check that. Uh, After joining, then this query will make the user to get into the session participants. After that, it will render into admin or the player based on their role. In the admin, he can be able to see the reports, the players who created the sports or anything as well. So like this is the query for that. So sport name, session ID, venue, date, time, player name. These are the variables. By using the joins and the left join, based on this query, all the reports will be displayed in the admin dashboard. And this is the route for the deleting a session. By using this query, delete from session participants. First, it will delete the user from the session participant and then delete from the sessions. And it will redirect based on the user, admin or player. But as we know that only admin has the ability to delete the session. Okay, let's see the route for the change password. In the change password, first we have to confirm whether the correct password is not the user is entering the correct password or not. After that, new password will be equal to confirm password or not. If it's then we have to hash the current password and we have to store the hash a new password and then we have to again update the set password based on the hashed password for that user ID. And then it will renders into admin or player based on their role. Otherwise, it will show us error. And here module.export router. This will connect all these routes into the main places. Okay, let's see the front end. This is the admin dashboard. This is all the CSS. And links, hyperlinks for the logout and change password. As we know that admin can be able to manage fields like admin can be add sport and these are the text and submit. This is a table for the to display the existing sports. And this is for creating a sports session. This is a table for to display the available sessions. And these are the buttons. And this is the table to display the join sessions by the admin. And here this is the link for the reports. Let's see the change password. So this is the change password and it's the main CSS. So current password, new password, confirm password, and these all. This is the link for returning to the user dashboard. So here this is the home.ts which will be displayed when we run this process, which is the CSS. And this is the title and tagline. These are the buttons for the register and login. This is just some footer. As we know that the login page will contain the email, password, and submit. And this is the player dashboard. As we know the player dashboard, player has the ability to create a session and join session and to view the sessions which are created by other users and admin accounts. So from these, okay, let's see. First, in the player dashboard, there are buttons like logout and change password. Player can be able to create a sports session like this. And this is the table to display the join sessions. And this is the table to display the all available sessions. And this is the action button which is used to join something. So this is the player dashboard. This is a register.js, which is nothing but the sign up page. In the sign up, we will ask the user like name, email, password, role. In the role, we have player or admin. There are two options only. After submit, and this is for redirection of login if the user is already registered. So these are all in the register.js. Reports.js. This will have only access to the admin only. So it contains sports sessions and players report. This is the table to display all the reports. The button to the admin dashboard. Okay, this is the environmental variables .env file. By default, username is always Postgres for the PostgreSql and localhost. Sports scheduler is my database name and this is my password. And the default port is 5432 and for any PostgreSql. Database.js, this is used to connect the .env file with the database. So here pool is used to connect the database Postgre and .env is used to configure and these will all retrieve the data from the .env file. So index.js as we already discussed and Bootstrap.js. Okay, let's run this. Okay, to run this we have to use no space in index.js. So here the server is running on port 3000. Let's get into this. Localhost 3000. So this is my main dashboard. Okay, let's begin with the register with the new email. It will ask for name. Let's give Manvita. I will set one password. First, I will register as player. Okay, admin, and then register. Okay, now we have to again log in. Enter the gmail.com and the password. So it will redirect me to the admin dashboard. So this is logout and change password. I will add the tennis as a sport. So add sport. So here the tennis will be displayed here. I want to create a sport session for this tennis sport. So I have to select here tennis and I want to venue as Bangalore. So date I want to name. So just create session. So here tennis Bangalore. So here today only I'm created. These are all the available sessions. Let's see this. This is created for February 1st, but today date is 5. Let's join. So we are unable to join because the date is already expired. Let's join this tennis. Okay, let's join the kabaddi. which is held in September 7. Oh, sorry, February 7. Okay, let's join this. Okay, it will display in the join sessions. Okay, let's join this. Yeah, all these will be displayed here. Okay, let's delete any session like this. Okay, so it will be deleted from the here. This is the main admin dashboard functionality. We can be able to view reports also. Let's see the reports. Okay, these are all the reports, sports name, session IDs, where is the venue, date and time, and who players joined, all these. Okay, back to dashboard. Okay, let's see the functionality of change password. And my current password is 3121. I want to change password as 1234. 1234. Okay, change password. It will redirect me to the admin dashboard. Okay, let's log out this. And register with another for the player. Password 3121. Select role, player, register. So it will again log. So let's log in. So this is the player dashboard. It will also consist logout, change password. As we see that the main difference between player dashboard and admin dashboard is admin can be able to create a sport, but player can't be able to create a sport. Just player is able to create a sports session only. Okay, let's go for tennis, which we created previous. Bangalore, day today only. We just create session. So here we created a session. Uh, this is the session which is created by the admin. This is the session which is created by us now in the player. Here, let's join this. All this will be displayed. Okay, let's change the password for the player also. I'm changing it to 124. It will return to the player dashboard. Okay, let's log out. It will log out and render into the network. Okay, let's see the Postgres. In the Postgres, my database is Post Scheduler. In these schemas, I have tables, session participant, sessions, sports, and users. Okay, let's run queries. Hmm. Select star from users. It will display all the users. So these are all the users. Okay, let's do sports. Okay, let's see in the users, we are Manvita and Mahita. Manvita as admin and Mahita as player. From sports. So these are the sports run by the admin. Chess, cricket, basketball, golf, tennis which is created by us previously. Okay, then sessions. So these are the sessions which is created in the Bangalore, and here it is upcoming for the tennis. And then session participants. So these are all the session participants based on by join. All the details will be displayed in the dashboard. So this is the main